So, Antigravity has finally set the date, August 14th, 9 AM Eastern Daylight Time, and that's when we'll see their new drone for the first time. The teaser trailer even flashes the goggles we talked about in our last video, and with the reveal this close, I wouldn't be surprised if more specs and photos start leaking any minute now. If you want to catch those updates the moment they drop, hit subscribe. Now, here's what makes this drone stand out. It's ultralight, under 249 grams, with a built-in 360-degree camera capable of shooting crisp 8K video. That means it's capturing everything in every direction, so you can reframe the footage later without stressing about lining up shots mid-flight. The patents take it even further. They've designed the drone so it stays out of its own shots. The arms, propellers, and landing gear are placed outside the camera's view. When it takes off, the top lens lifts up, the landing gear retracts, and the body tilts just a few degrees to prevent rotor shadows or propeller blur. It's all about getting a clean, uninterrupted 360-degree view, and it's built for accessibility. You won't need drone flying experience or complicated pre-flight steps. The controls are described as intuitive and beginner-friendly. Possible options include FPV goggles for an immersive view, motion controllers for natural movements, and even touchscreen finger tracking for precise control. Through the Antigravity Hub, pilots and creators can submit feedback and ideas, and if your concept sparks a new feature, you might be rewarded. While Antigravity is its own brand, it's using Insta360's imaging tech, meaning you'll likely get seamless compatibility with Insta360's editing software. Pricing and full specs are still under wraps, but with this mix of portability, 360-degree capture, and user-focused design, it's shaping up to appeal to both casual flyers and pro creators, and with the reveal only days away, we won't have to wait long to see the full picture. Thanks for watching. Peace.